Here is a quick rundown on the organizer you will be using to outline your informative research paper for ENG 102. You will start with the topic, and you'll see here the student's topic is philanthropy and business. And then in this box here for attention grabber, you're going to write down just your idea for an attention grabber. You don't have to give the actual quote right now or the actual statistic, but maybe you're going to say start with a quote. Start with a statistic. This student is going to define philanthropy, which is important for her audience to know exactly what that is. And she's decided to present information on how much money businesses contribute. She thought if she started there with how much money they're contributing, that would draw the reader in. Remember, the attention grabber is how you're going to get your reader in. And here she's put in what source she's found that in. So she reminds herself when she goes into the paper that she has to cite it, because it's not her information, it's from a source. Next, you're going to put your thesis. What is it you're going to be writing about? Remember, your thesis comes from the 3 ideas that will be found here. We'll get to this in a minute in your paper. So the student goes in and says, in order for business to be successful in being philanthropic, then it should find a worthy cause to donate to, align with the company's mission, and that there are going to be those who are benefiting from these contributions. Now the student's going to break down those ideas into different sections of the paper. This is really an outline. This is the shape of your paper. Once you have this information in here, it'll be easier to write. So she puts in what her first heading is going to be. Remember, go back to some of the videos and information on correctly formatting an APA paper. Finding a cause is her first heading. Her second heading in the paper is going to be reasons for giving, and her third is going to be benefits. Underneath each of these headings, she's put down the larger topic she's going to cover. So here it's providing clean water, reducing global poverty, and making communities safer. And underneath each heading, she has tagged or put the source where she's going to get that information from. And she does these in the other 2 boxes under the other headings for her paper. Reasons for giving have their own sections with their own sources, as does benefits. Remember, for this paper, you only need a total of 3 to 4 sources. The student ended up having 5 or 6 in the final paper. And so you're going to write those down. She has 3 different sources here. Here she has 2 of the same. Another one added here. And then again, she pulls from those same sources from the first 2 sections to find out for her third section what she can find in terms of benefits. When you get to the bottom, it says make sure that you look at the other side of the sheet. And if I scroll down, the other side of the sheet should contain those references you're using in the paper. And again, those were the names here that you gave me in these sections. You're going to put those sources into an APA style reference page. So what does that mean? You're going to have to go to your style guide or one of the online style guides to see how you would put a book or a newspaper or a magazine or a journal article or a source for the web in proper APA format on a reference page. It's alphabetical, so she starts with her A's and she goes down through M. She includes the authors, the year, the title of the source. Again, author, year, and date. Italics when necessary, page numbers when needed. Website addresses of those sources she found online. And this way, along with your outline, you have everything you need in order to write your APA paper. So again, this is graded, your topic, the attention grabber, the thesis, your 3 APA headings, the support, and the sources that will be found underneath those headings, and then on the back of the sheet, the reference page in APA style of the sources you will be using for the paper. Hope you found this helpful, and remember to upload this assignment to the proper link on the Blackboard page.